Hey everyone, hope you're having a great week and thanks for joining in to another Bona Training Camp video. Let's talk about some of the best practices when using and operating our Bona Power Drive. Some people may think of these as frequently asked questions or tips and tricks. They all kind of run along the same vein. All right, so let's just talk real quickly about the right way to put your drive plate on your power drive. Again, what we want to make sure is that you engage it all the way and lock it in, and don't let it do a slam fit. And what I mean by that is we have had a couple guys bring their machines in and they were having trouble with them because they had wallowed out the clutch plate because they didn't get this situated all the way as close to the lug as possible and then lock it in. They were just putting it on a little and then standing the machine up, and when you turn the machine on, it slams into place. You don't want that to happen. Because the clutch plate is not made out of, it's made out of a softer metal, and you want it that way so you can always get a tight fit. If you routinely slam it into place, you're gonna wear a soft spot into that or a hollow spot, and then the vibrations in the machine are gonna constantly wallow that out, and pretty soon your machine is gonna be shaking all over the place. So just make sure that when you attach your drive plate, right, get it on there, move it all the way around so that the lugs are lined up, lock it into place, and you should be good to go.